Alright, so today it's October 14, Friday, 2 p.m. after market hours. Uh, and to analyze what happened today. So, previously, yesterday, Thursday, there was a big sell off at market open, right? CPI came out, bad news. Everything went up in price, inflation. Then later, Biden is like, hey, can you cut off the production of oil reduction until next month, and then so the market surged back up. So people are trying to lock in profit from betting the market would go down. The algorithm would try to buy it out because they see it hit all-time low, and then let's see, yeah, and then all the buyers are seeing the rush of people coming back in. So then that's why it squeezed up really fast. However, $370 or 368 is kind of like pricey. The spot should be around 350 right now, but that's way too much. So, beginning of market today, people are like, hey, it's a good time to short because we think the market's going down, the economy isn't recovered yet. But then the bears got back in. And then if we look at the volume for what happened, we do see that on 9:30 was going down. However, the government stepped in and printed more money, right? And then after that, right here yesterday, CPI came out, algorithm, and got short squeezed up. Everyone buying in, locking in profit, which caused this irregular move up from 348 all the way to 368, which is 20-point move. It's quite a bit. And today, it hit the EMA line, but it just rejected this EMA line. Kind of like a rubber band. See, look. Snap back, snap back, snap back, snap back. See, look. Now, a candle that opened above the EMA line, there's no confirmation that will go up. Snap back, touch the EMA, rejected, and probably will head towards down in the next few trading days. If we look at the volume too, people are locking in profit because they saw 350 breaking. So there's a lot of action at the retail and algorithm and institution pumping. But the market will always go to the direction that's meant to go. Okay. We look right here. We draw this support line right here. We see that there's a candle that opened below the support line. So regardless of what happens next, it's like confirmation that it will hit towards the bottom. Might not be a smooth ride down, but it will go down because of this confirmation and it breaking below 360, and more importantly, it broke below 350, right? That's the psychological level, right? So one, two. Two reasons why it's going down. Another reason is the EMA line is clearly pointing downward, right here, right? And SMA line is pointing downward. This yellow line is a very strong indicator of where the direction of the market will go. This blue line is a strong direction of where the market is currently going to go real time, real fast. This is like overall, it's like, hey, it's going from 200 to like 100. Yes. And then this one's like, all right, currently it's 250 right now. We expect a sharp drop, so like from 250 to like 240 the next day, which is pretty understandable. But if it's like, going slanted, it won't like, drop down fast. But if it's like going like nose deep down like this, then yeah, it'll drop down really fast, right? This is slightly at an angle like 45 degrees, so it goes down slower. This is at like, I don't know, 80-degree nose plunge down. So that's why the blue line is more indicative of what's currently going on, like the speed and velocity of the price action. And then the yellow one is just like, yeah, this is the direction it's gonna go. All right. And then, for SQQQ, yeah, it broke above the, support resistance, I mean. So it's gonna keep going up, but there's no confirmation yet until a candle open above here. But like, we don't really need to look at SQQQ because we're basically making the decision to buy or sell off of SPY, right? So all we need to do is like this. So this would have been like confirmation to like enter my position in SQQQ right here, which is on October 12th. If we look at the bottom right here, okay, October 12th. October 12th. As you can see, October 12th, this isn't like a sign to like buy right here, but it was clearly a sign to buy. Um, SPY. See, first candle to make it above, I mean below the support. So that's just like, hey, buy it. So, and then we look right here, and there's no reason why you should buy it yet. Alright, look, it's still below the all-time high. Remember, SQQQ is like a decaying asset, like an option expiring. That's all.